Do you understand that? So I'm from Mindanao. So mayong udto and good noon to everyone. So thank you for the opportunity to close this day's program and share a few reflections. What we saw today is the best of what Bagong Pilipinas can mean for our entrepreneurs, bringing government support, private sector expertise, and financing opportunities closer to where they're truly needed, like the launch of the app of SDC and that of GCash. So coming from Mindanao, specifically from Davao, so we are rising now above politics because we are more or less inclusive. I know the challenges of our MSMEs that they face in reaching markets beyond their hometowns, and even more so in accessing global opportunities. So as chair of the MSMed Council Committee on Global Markets, it is my hope that programs like this caravan become springboards for our MSMEs to not only strengthen locally, but to dream and plan for international growth. As what was mentioned by our idol here, Don Negosyo, founder Joey Concepcion, he has made mention of a lot of ASEAN countries. And once you get out of the Philippines, you will really feel where we are Filipinos in terms of our products. So we need to do more. And we are so thankful that we have DTI Sec Roque, who is an entrepreneur, a successful one, and leading the DTI, so she knows what is happening and how to move things forward. So this is the plan of the new DTI. We want to see the Philippines and Mindanao, Visayas, rich products, cultural heritage, and creative businesses find their place in larger markets. This means investing in capability building, mentoring, sustainable practices, and stronger market linkages so that even our small enterprises can compete on the global stage. I hope that today's launch motivates all our MSMEs participants to take advantage of the sessions, partnerships, and tools being offered. Let's keep learning, innovating, and collaborating so we can unlock bigger opportunities for our communities. To our team, the MSMed Council members, our hardworking Secretariat at the Bureau of SME Development, our partners at Don Negosyo, and of course, the first stop of this caravan, DTI's training arm, the Philippine Trade Training Center, Global MSME Academy. Maraming salamat po. Your dedication, partnership makes this caravan possible. And together we're delivering real meaningful support to our MSMEs. So we look forward to an even stronger partnership and more opportunities as the caravan continues. So before I end, I would like to ask everyone to please stand up. Please stand up. I know you're all hungry. Okay. Yung boses na hindi gutom, no? Boses na masigasig. Okay. So we have our theme, Asenso Negosyo, Angat Kabuhayan, Bagong Pilipinas. I ask you to please shout it out and say, Asenso Negosyo,
Bagong Pilipinas.
Asenso Pilipinas.
Asenso Pilipinas.
Again, Asenso Pilipinas.
Asenso Pilipinas.
I hope you will bring that message to your heart and let's work on it, Philippines. SME, DTI, thank you everyone.